you cannot understand what's very noisy. So first, put in 4 bars, right?
4 bar.
Yeah, 4 bars, and then turn
Up.
turn up the screw D. This is the screw D, right? Okay, okay.
0.05.
Yeah,
Min is min.
yeah. Okay, okay. This is the screw D. Lift up the screw D until the secondary pressure will, or the sound, you can hear the sound start to blow the air. Okay, start the sound of the air, and then zero. Put the dial gauge to 0, Again. and then one turn, one turn, one turn. Okay, one turn. Okay, and then adjust the secondary pressure to 2 bars.
No.
Element. This is the element.
Three
This is the condition of the pump element. The condition.
Condition element 3
Yeah,
bar.
3 bars. And
Down.
adjust to 2 bars. This is the primary. Adjust the primary, and then put
Down to 2
secondary
bars.
2 bars. The secondary to 2 bars. Okay, 2 bars, and then the secondary pressure will adjust to 1 bar by adjusting the screw D down. Okay. Okay, 1 bar. Adjust the dial gauge to 0. This is to make it clear. Okay, 0, and then adjust to 0.35 to 5.5. The pitch, to fix the condition of the calibrating disc. If it is advanced or retard. Okay. Okay, that's ready. So it was negative. Negative 3. So we need how much that one? Plus 5, no? Plus 5. Plus 5. What is this? B2. B2 is 85 to 90. So we put 90. Oh, so this is the we'll see you in my YouTube channel.
Hello from Wasilla.
What Godzilla? This for the people that they don't know about this kind of engine. This is a simple tutorial. This is the pump head. The pump head screw is 100 meters. So this is the part 2 of the Dismantle the fuel box. This is the first one that you take out. The first one you take out is the last one you put. Right?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This is the manual for the timing and you get the calibrate for the timing. This is the manual.